Viewers, the face-off over the police checkpost in Sambal has reached an all-new flashpoint after AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi claimed that the police checkpost is built on Waqf land. We have the BJP that has hit out at Owaisi over the row, saying that goons and mafias fear law enforcement. The BJP has criticized Asaduddin Owaisi's claim that the checkpost was built on Waqf land, and he has also accused the district authorities in Sambal of violating Waqf land rights. Meanwhile, the BJP has hit back saying that Owaisi saying that goons and mafias fear law enforcement. Let's listen in. Yesterday, viewers, Asaduddin Owaisi, the AIMIM chief, criticized Sambal district authorities, saying that the district authorities in that particular district is violating Waqf land rights by building a police checkpost without any permission and arbitrarily. And now the BJP has hit back, saying that Asaduddin Owaisi's claims are nothing but a facade. And the BJP has also added that goons and mafias fear law enforcement. Listen in.
The governments have never ensured that where you have higher number of Muslims living in that place or locality or area, the government have failed to provide public services. For example, hospitals, schools, colleges. Now a recent study has been done by Mr. Paul Novosad of Dartmouth College, MIT, which clearly shows that amount of discrimination the governments have shown, especially the BJP government, in not providing public services. If you have the wherewithal to construct a police outpost right opposite the Sambal historical masjid, why can't you construct schools, colleges, hospitals in Sambal? It is a known fact that the dropout rate is the highest among Muslim women. It is a known fact that low literacy rates prevail among the Muslims. It is a known fact that you have the lowest number of graduated Muslim community. There are various medical issues. So why isn't the BJP government of Uttar Pradesh interested in solving these problems so that what they claim that they want a Viksit Bharat, okay, if you want a Viksit Bharat, why don't you provide all these services? But you are having a communal mindset and you are strengthening that communal mindset by creating a suspicion that no, these Muslims areas have to be monitored by CCTV, by police outposts. But what about the killings of those 5 innocent Muslims? Who's responsible for that? So this creation of police outposts is nothing but strengthening suspicion among the Muslims, creating an hate atmosphere of Muslims. That is what, unfortunately, the Uttar Pradesh BJP government is doing, which I condemn it.
My colleague Sahil is live in Sambal. Sahil, a very good morning to you. The BJP has hit back at Asaduddin Owaisi over his claims on the police outpost being built on Waqf land. Take us through the latest.
देखिए, वक्फ बोर्ड की तरफ से फिलहाल ऐसा कोई जो दस्तावेज है वो पुलिस को नहीं दिखाया गया, लेकिन ओवीसी जो है वो दावा कर रहे हैं कि जिस जगह पे पुलिस चौकी बनाई जा रही है वो वक्फ बोर्ड की जमीन है। लेकिन जब हमने बीते दिन संभल जिला के डीएम से बातचीत करी तो उन्होंने यही जानकारी दी कि हमारे पास कुछ लोग जरूर आए थे, उन्होंने दस्तावेज दिखाए, लेकिन जो दस्तावेज दिखाए गए वो अनरजिस्टर्ड दस्तावेज है, जिनका कोई जो है दरिया नहीं है। लेकिन अब पुलिस का मानना है कि इस पूरे मामले में कोई भी हमारे पास शख्स यहाँ पर आता है, वो दस्तावेज दिखाता है या कोई शिकायत देता है कि जिस जगह पे पुलिस चौकी बनाई जा रही है वो किसी शख्स की प्रॉपर्टी है या फिर वक्फ बोर्ड की प्रॉपर्टी है, ऐसे में हम उनका बिल्कुल स्वागत करते हैं। लेकिन जो हमें फर्जी दस्तावेज दिखाएगा उसके खिलाफ हम लीगल एक्शन भी लेंगे, क्योंकि ओवीसी का यही कहना है कि जिस जगह पे पुलिस चौकी बनाई जा रही है वहां पे स्कूल या कॉलेजेस में बनाए जा सकते थे, लेकिन पुलिस की प्रायोरिटी ये है कि पूरे इलाके में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को मेंटेन करना है। और यही वजह है कि इलाके में पुलिस चौकी बनाई जाती है, जिससे जामा मस्जिद के आसपास के इलाके में जो माहौल है वो शांतिपूर्ण बना रहे। जिस तरीके से 24 नवंबर के दिन संभल में हिंसा भड़की थी, ऐसी स्थिति दोबारा से पैदा ना हो, इसलिए पुलिस चौकी बनाई जा रही है। आसपास के लोग भी काफी ज्यादा खुश नजर आ रहे हैं। उनका ये कहना है कि 24 घंटे पुलिस यहाँ पे डिप्लॉय रहेगी, वो अपने आप को जो है सुरक्षित महसूस कर पाएंगे पुलिस चौकी बनने के कारण। लेकिन इस चौकी बनने के विवाद जो है वो शुरू हो चुका है और ओवीसी जो है वक्फ बोर्ड का दावा कर रहे हैं। जी
Right, Sahil, many thanks for joining me with those details. In fact, the BJP has justified the building of the outpost in this particular district at that particular location, saying that the police outpost will help instill fear against criminals and also ensure in maintaining law and order. Let's listen in to the BJP's reaction.
नहीं, ये ड्राइव तो हम लगातार जारी रखेंगे, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है। ऑफ कोर्स समय समय पर जैसे जैसे थोड़ी प्रायोरिटी चीज जो आती है, जैसे अब दिल्ली के चुनाव आने वाले हैं, उस समय चूंकि हमारी बहुत सारी फोर्स जो है वो चुनाव
Viewers, Asaduddin Owaisi has questioned the building of the outpost over alleged Waqf land, claiming that the land rights of Waqf board is being violated. He says that where is the accountability for the people killed in the Sambal violence? Meanwhile, the BJP has said that an outpost in Sambal is very, very necessary because it helps keep a check on goons and criminals. It doesn't allow anybody to take law into their own hands and also helps in maintaining law and order in Sambal.